Good morning, students. In the last class that we have started with the unit number 3, washing clothes with my mom, and we have done with the explanation of this chapter. So now we will be discussing about glossary meaning which you have in your course book. That is in the page number 24. So the first word is adjacent. So what is the meaning of adjacent? It's a next to something. Basement, room in a building below the ground level. Room in a building below the ground level. Next, scrap together. Saved a little at a time. Saved a little at a time. Lint filter, part in a washing machine that collects loose threads and cloth fibers. Part in a washing machine that collects loose threads and cloth fibers. Complimented, said something to praise someone. Said something to praise someone. Ritual, a thing that is done regularly in the same way. Fond, it's a pleasant. So these are the 7 meanings you have in your course book. So students, now let us discuss the question and answers. So understand and answers. Answer these questions with reference to context. So answer these questions with reference to the context. I might as well enjoy my work. Who said these words? Where was the speaker? So the answer, the narrator's mother said these words. She was in the basement. Why did the speaker say this? The speaker said this to explain to the narrator why she sang while doing her work. So, what effect did it have on the listener? The listener was encouraged to help his mother in washing clothes. He learned a valuable lesson in having a good attitude to work. So students, next main you have choose the correct options to complete the sentences. To complete the sentences, you have to choose the correct answer. So the first one, scheduling bath time was not easy because A option, everyone wanted to have a bath at the same time. There was only one bathroom. There wasn't enough water. So what is the answer? Scheduling bath time was not easy because there was only one bathroom. So second one, the writer was given a wristwatch, a wind-up toy, an alarm clock. So the writer was given what? The writer was given an alarm clock. Next, third one, the writer's mother did laundry. A option, only on the weekends. B option, every day of the week. C option, 4 days of the week. So the writer's mother did laundry only 4 days of the week. Fourth one, on laundry days, she woke up at 4 a.m., 5:30 a.m., 6 a.m. So the answer is 4 a.m. Fifth one, the writer's mother sang as she worked because it was her favorite pastime. It helped her stay awake. It helped her enjoy her work. So what is the answer? The writer's mother sang as she worked because It helped her enjoy her work. So sixth one, the writer's father did his paperwork in the morning because dash at that time of the day. He felt fresh. He enjoyed working. The house was quiet. So the writer's father did his paperwork in the morning because the house was quiet at that time of the day. So these are the 6 questions, and I have marked the answers also of the choose the correct answer. So the next mean is answer these questions. How old was the writer when he learned to rise early? At what time did he wake up? So the writer was 7 years old when he learned to rise early. He woke up at 5:30 in the morning. He woke up at 5:30 in the morning on the first day, and after that he started waking up at 4 in order to help his mother to wash clothes. So second one, which sentence in the story tells us that the family had to save money to buy things? Mom still used an old wringer washer, but she was absolutely thrilled that she and Dad had scrapped together enough money to get a clothes dryer. So third one, how did the writer feel when he learned to do small jobs? The writer felt useful when he learned to do small jobs. Fourth one, did the other children in the writer's family help with the housework? How do you know? Yes, other children in the writer's family helped in the housework. The writer says that sisters helped their mother carry the folded clothes upstairs from the basement. Fifth one, what was the important lesson that the writer and his siblings learned from their parents? The writer's parents taught these children that work isn't a hardship and they must enjoy doing their work. Next one is think and answer. Why do you think the writer's mother praised him although he dropped most of the clothes? Although the writer dropped most of the clothes, his mother praised him because she wanted to encourage him to try to do better. So the second question, why does the writer look back fondly on those days spent in the old basement? So this we will be discussing in the live session, and I'll be sending the PDF of the notes that you need to complete it in your classwork. Thank you, students.